doing? Well, this morning it's time for me to put some things on my Etsy store I've been working on, so I wanted to share that here with you. I have, well, I actually have four of these, but two of them are sold, or I think they're sold. So Susan and Angela, I'm taking these two out of the equation. So these are for you. So let me know whenever you're ready, and we can deal with that and get those sent out to you. This one, so that means I'm going to have two of the little gnome journals, and they have a red, uh, like a reddish burnt red inside cover. So those are the red, the little gnome journals. These are all 9 by 6, so they're my standard size. So if you're collecting, this will go into your collection really well. But aren't these the cutest thing you've ever seen? I found this about, I don't know, I want to say 6 months, 7, 8 months ago, quite a while ago, and I grabbed it because I just thought it was adorable, and I've been holding on to it. And I usually do my kits in holiday, but I had to throw some in there that weren't holiday because the next holiday I've got coming up, we just did Valentine's. I think the next one's going to be St. Patrick's Day and then Easter. So I'll have some of those too. But yeah, so here you go. So these are the trolls, and I just love these little guys. And I keep wanting to call them trolls. They're gnomes, right? They're gnomes. So yeah, these are the gnome kits. So there's going to be two of these gnome kits. They're like a garden gnome, if you will. So there's the garden gnome kits, and I'll show you everything that's included in those garden gnomes. And then I have these floral ones that I just fell in love with. These are like little bird of paradise. See the little bird of paradise and butterfly. So I'm going to call these my butterfly. And the inside of these are going to be blue. And one blue is darker than the other, but that's okay. Yeah. So they still look really, really pretty together, right? So super pretty together, no matter what color. So yeah. So yeah, isn't this gorgeous? So these are going to be the bird. I'm just going to call these the butterfly ones. So there's that. They're just so cute. They have these darker blue butterflies and these lighter blue butterflies. And I don't know what this little pink flower is, but it's awfully pretty. These are summery and just springy. Let me get in the frame for you. And I just thought these were gorgeous. And so, yeah, so this will be fun for like a little summer journal, if you will. So let me show you. And there's four of these and two of these on my Etsy shop. If it happens that my buyers can't buy these for some reason, I'll add them back to my Etsy store. So there's that. So let's take a look at what's included. Let's take a look at the gnome ones first. They're all basically the same, just a pinch different on what's included in the kits. Just a pinch different, but mostly it's the same stuff. So these kits are kind of fun. So let's see what we got going on here. Just a lot of things to help you get started in your journaling process. So you'll add your signatures, and what you can do is you can tie your signatures in like we do, or you can sew them in. You can put these signatures, you can use a long reach stapler to put them in that way. I mean, the sky's the limit however you want to do it. So, but this is just a few things to get you started in with this journaling process. So a little bit of lace here and some of these little rosettes, if you will, like they're on a little lace, a little rosette trim. And I love this trim, so I just cut it off to put some in here for you. This is fabric. It's not really a measuring tape. It's a fabric. So I did add just some basic junk journaling stuff in here. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So everybody's going to get a couple of matching paper clips that match the outside fabric of the journal. So there's that. And then I also, for everybody, I made everybody a batik, fabric batik tag. And I made it a little bit bigger this time for you. So you can just, make this your own, do whatever you want with it. So this is just a little fabric batik tag. Don't you just love batik? It's so pretty, it goes with everything. So I thought that was pretty cute. And then some people are going to get, some people, they're all different, but you will get some project cards that I embellished and a couple of floral stickers and some more project cards. All different, of course, but everybody will get some. And then the garden ones, I added a couple of some seeds because I mean you can't have a garden gnome and not have some seeds. So I added some seeds to this, and a napkin and a floral, a napkin and a floral napkin and a little doily. And then this is part of the regular like journaling stuff. But you guys, I found this and I had to share it. This is a Dollar Tree piece, but look at this. Like, it's so cute, and they're paintbrushes. I mean, you know, it'd be cuter if they were garden brushes, but you know what? I just had to share this. This is so cute. And then a little extra piece of fabric for you. And then these little gnomes that I found online that I had permission to print off. And then just a beautiful rose. Everybody has a little rose. Two pieces of my favorite music sheets. Some of my French dictionary. There's two pieces of that as well. And now we're going to get to just some of the basic junk journaling kind of things. So here's another project learning card. Oh, and there's 4 red tickets. This is basic junk journaling 101 stuff here. A couple of cards to use, another card to use, another project life. Here's a cash receipt, old vintage one, and then an old vintage green sheet. So there's that. Oh, and on this one, I'm just adding a little tiny envelope, just, you know, one of these little bits, a little bits and bobs envelope, if you will. And so in here, there's just a little, this is a vintage trim. I only had so much, but I divided it into 8 pieces so it can go across the top of something. So this is definitely vintage. It came off of a vintage, like, cardboard thing. It was all wrapped up. It was never opened. And I just thought it was really pretty. So everybody's going to get a piece of that. And, of course, a little tassel just to hang out the side of your book, kind of like so. You know, just, okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Something happened to my camera there. So I am back, and so I was showing you this, how you can just put this on the side there and like let it hang out or something. It's really cute. And then on the gnome ones, oh, just some little extra bits and bobs here, some trim. Everybody has a little bit of extra trim. And then I just added a bunch of little buttons to here. I think there's like 20. And then a little gnome button for your front. So this is super cute if you want to make that the closure. I just thought that's adorable. So all the gnome ones have a little button. So let me show you now what comes with the butterfly and the bird of paradise one. So let me put this all back in here for you. So these kits are a lot of fun. I really enjoy making them, and I hope you guys love them. A lot of people are collecting them, and that makes it really fun for me because it's like, wow, okay, I love making them because I know that so many people are enjoying them. So yeah, so the next ones that are coming out will be the St. Patty's ones, if you're collecting all of my holiday ones. So those are going to be really pretty. So now let me show you what is inside of the bird of paradise ones, okay? They're butterfly bird of paradise ones. So here's that, and you'll see how this goes. Let me put that over here so you can kind of see. This is the difference in the colors. Isn't that beautiful? So let's see. So in this one, it's basically all of the same things, but of course everyone's a little pinch different because you can't have the same thing when you're doing that. And did this one have some stickers? Oh, my goodness. I don't think this one had some stickers, so I'm going to have to fix that. Huh, interesting. Oh, that's missing some stickers. Well, I don't know why, but it's good to know that. So I'll add some more stickers to this. It might not be this kind, but it will be some stickers. I just have to make a note. Isn't that funny? So this one has some stickers. I wonder where those went. Anyway, okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so the rosettes here and some stickers as well, and some of that measuring tape type fabric, which is super cute. This one, again, has 2 matching paper clips, and then also this one has a batik fabric tag to get this all just to get you started with your journaling. This one just has a smaller piece of fabric, but that's all I had left. And then a doily and a little napkin. This one has a springtime napkin, so that'll get you started. And again, some little pieces of ephemera. This one has a butterfly cutout, and then there's those paint brushes that I just love, love, love. I just love these. I just thought they were so cute. And a long piece of lace to add to your pages. Again, we have a rose and some music sheets, a couple of sheets of the French dictionary sheets, and then again, your selection of basic junk journaling cards and things. So some Project Life cards, some cards, being aloof. So they all have a little like cartoon on them. So Project Life cards, and then those. So these are the 2 kits that are on my site today as we speak. Oh, and this one also has this. So a piece of that vintage lace, a piece of this, a piece of, um, this one has some velvet ribbon in it. And then for the, we have all the buttons, again, look at the buttons. And then for these, I have little tiny kitty cats. So those would be really cute on here too. So some really tiny, really cute little kind of boho kitty cats to put on there if you want that, or you can just put them somewhere else. So those are the 2 cat kits that are on my site today, Etsy. The link is in the description down below. So I hope you like these. I hope you get one. And thank you so much for supporting my channel and my shop. And I hope everybody's doing okay this weekend. And I will usually get these out within a couple of days. So if you're interested, head over to my Etsy shop and buy one. All right. Thanks so much, you guys. Take care. Be well. Talk soon. Love you. Bye now.